Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther. If you are new here, you are highly welcome to my old subscriber. Thank you for watching my videos. On this channel, I share interesting and educative videos. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make peanut burger. Some people call it coated peanuts, some call it burger. And this recipe is business friendly. This is what I do on this channel. I bring to your screen business friendly recipe. So for today, you'll be needing 4 cups of raw granite. You can use raw granite, you can use roasted peanuts, anyone you want to use, but it depends on you. So after you have your raw granite in your bowl, add some salt with some hot water because you're going to allow this to rest for some minutes. I think 15 minutes should be perfect. So add hot water, then soak your granite for 15 to 20 minutes. Just set it aside, cover this and set it aside, allow it to rest for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, we'll go on to the next step. So after 15 minutes, this is what we have. Then after that, you have to strain out the water just to remove all the water from the granules. Some ask me, can we use roasted granules? Yes, please, you can use it. Just that you won't fry it for long and you won't have to go through all this process. But using that for business, it will be expensive for you. So this is better for you to do everything yourself. Just put it inside a tray and sun dry it. Just allow it to dry, to be very dry. Like after drying it, it will look as if you didn't even pour water on it. So this is what I have after sun drying it. So this is my 4 cups of granite. Is raw granite, raw one. It's not roasted. Then we have 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/3 cup of sugar. You have your salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. You have 2 eggs, and you have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Please don't forget to check the description box. I'm going to put the recipe in my description box, so just please check it out in case I didn't mention some in this video. Then you have your vanilla flavor. Any flavor of your choice is totally optional. So this is our flour. Mix all the dry ingredients together. You have to mix the milk, the salt, everything. Just mix it together with your hand or your spatula. After mixing it together, you set that aside, but don't mix sugar with this. So get another bowl, crack in your 2 eggs. Then after that, you have to add your sugar to the egg. So as you see me doing this video, just follow this step and you're going to get a very nice peanut burger, as people do call it. And you can also use it for business. Just package it well and start selling it. So this is it. Then you mix your vanilla flavor. So in this bowl we have 2 eggs, your 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Okay, the flavor is totally optional. It's just flavor, as the name implies. So it's just for extra flavor. So just follow what I'm doing in this video. Just put little of your wet ingredient in your granite. After that, you shake it well together. You're going to see what I'm going to do in this video. Just follow it step by step. Can you see what I'm doing? Just shake it well till everything is well combined. Then after shaking it well, get your flour, also shake it well. You have to repeat this process till everything is exhausted. It's not difficult. It's very easy. Looking at this video, you might think that this is a lot of work. No, at all. It's not a lot of work. So in this video now, this is because I'm using raw granules. If you're using already roasted granules, you're also going to do the same thing. The only thing you won't do is soaking your groundnut in the hot water, like going through that process of soaking the groundnut, sun drying it, you understand? So that one will be out of it. So you have to repeat this process till your wet and your dry ingredients are exhausted. Okay, so just see what I'm doing. I'm not going to show you everything, so I had to just show you 1 or 2 times so that you can see what I'm going to do, like what I'm doing in this video, just to achieve a perfect peanut burger. And I said this is business friendly. If you don't know what to start or what to do, you can use this recipe and start selling. Sell it to friends and family, post it on your platform, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, advertise yourself, and start making money from this. So just, you see now, I'm done with the flour and the wet ingredients. So this is the last part. Just shake it well. If you see that some are trying to get, can you see, just try and separate them. Then after that, you have to get your sieve just to remove the excess flour. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do in this video. Just follow the process and you will be glad you did. So don't forget to also subscribe to my channel. If you have watched this video to this point, that means you're enjoying it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like it, and drop your comments. Please drop any question you have in the comment section. I'm going to answer everything. I'll be glad to answer all your questions. Okay, anything relating to snacks, these peanuts, I'm going to answer your questions. Don't worry. That's why I'm on this YouTube channel. Okay, so it's time to fry our coated peanuts. Can you see? Just make sure the oil is very hot. Okay, then once the thing is hot like this, reduce the flame so that outside will not get done before inside. We need to fry everything, both the granite inside and the one outside. Okay, so you have to keep turning it, keep your eyes on this. So keep frying it as you see me do in this video. Just fry it till it's golden brown. Just make sure it's golden brown because we need that granite inside to get done. The difference now is if you are using the already roasted granite, you won't allow it to stay that long. Just once the outer part is golden brown, just like this, just bring it out. It's done, because you are not waiting for the granite inside to get done. Okay, so this is what we have after frying it. Can you see how yummy my coated peanut looks? Okay, so I'm going to show you different packaging that you can use. I have this container, I have bottle, and I have this paper package. I don't know, but you can also use it because it's also nice. But personally, I'm going to prefer the bottle. Some people use this plastic plate, so just use anyone you are okay with. And also check the costing, because that's very important. The pricing is very, very important. Don't go and buy something that is expensive that after selling it you won't gain anything from this business. Okay, so just use anyone that is business friendly, and check your competitors, check your environment, carry out your feasibility studies. Is this thing going to move in this area? Do you think people need it? Okay, so I'm going to show you how they will look. Then you can pick anyone you're okay with. I said it, I'm going to go with the bottle because the bottle is like, once you put it inside, it's going to get sealed up itself. That's the type of bottle I'm using. So is actually better for me, so no air will enter. Do you understand? So that plastic container too is safe and secured, but I just prefer the bottle. So that's what I'm trying to show you. See, the bottle looks very nice and presentable to me. The container is also okay, but I'm going to go for the bottle. So this is what we have. This looks so good and nice already. Can you see? So that's what I'm telling you. On this channel, I share interesting and educative videos that you don't need to start paying any money to learn this thing. You know how much you're going to pay to get this knowledge, but I decided to bring it here for free for everyone. Okay, so this is, I'm just trying to show you how you can package your business after putting it in the bottle or in the plastic container. Just put your sticker on it, put your sticker like that carries your name, location, the address, the ingredients that you use in making it because of allergy. Some people can be allergic to something. So once they see the ingredient, they will know, okay, maybe I can eat this or not. So this is just it. I'm just showing you this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Stay tuned to this channel. See you in my next video. And don't forget to take nice pictures of your products. Take the pictures, put it on your social media platform, and start selling and start cashing out. Thank you all for watching my video. See you in the next one. Bye.